Alright, I'm not gonna do much talking in this video, so let's just get into it. Gonna go to the car wash, do some self-wash shit. Hope you guys are having a good day. Oh, I thought that was my brakes for a second. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day. Thanks for tuning in. I'm trying to grow the YouTube channel, dude, but that shit's kind of hard, but tastes like cat piss. Maybe we'll find a race on this road. Making sure this shit looks alright. Yeah, that looks fucking awesome. What the hell? Alright, we made it. Waiting for this dude to get the hell out of the fucking wash. Clean. Well, somewhat better. It's alright. Oh, a GTR. Perfect. Come here, boy. See if I can get that. If he's tooted, I'm cooked. I'm probably gonna lose anyways. A little GTR. Get him. Oh, there's people right there. I was gonna get him at the light. I'm about to do his. Oh, he's turning. Damn it. I was about to do his ass so dirty at the light. Oh man. But he turned. Damn it. He didn't want it. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I feel like I'm cooking a GTR from a dig. Dude, is this shit like too high or something? No, that's good. Dude, fucking bug, bro. Get out of here. Little peasant. Jesus. Damn, bro, I'm pissed. I wanted to race that dude so bad. Bro, get the fuck out. Get out, bro. Damn. It's a fly, bro. I don't even know how a fly got in here. Insanity, bro. Just washed my shit and I'm about to roll down my window because I don't really give a fuck. Oh, damn. How long is that shit green for? Yeah, going even know why you even switched lanes to begin with. What the hell, on? Bro, it's hot as fuck in here. If I turn on the AC, I'm gonna lose power. Dude, now there's no one else to race. I'm about to get butt naked and jump in the shower. That's on my agenda. Sorry guys, I didn't get to line up with his ass. Bro busted a right. He saw the opportunity to run a dig and he bailed. Fucking race a Harley, why not? Dude, that shit dirty. Dude, the spots from my fucking... from me trying to fucking wipe down my shit. Damn, I'm trying to open up. What the fuck? Bro, get out, bro. Fuck. You have the whole world to fly and you're flying in my fucking car. I don't understand that. Whole universe to be flying around, but you want to be in my fucking car, bro. Hold on, fly. Oh shit. Hold on, buddy. You little fuckhead. Brake boost. Look, bro, I don't even know where bro went. He went to the back seat. All the G-forces. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that shit. I might do a little lunch. Sorry, I don't have a lot of friends, so it's like, I don't really have much to do. Might have another video if I go with my buddy tonight to Mexico. We'll see what's going on. I will see what I can do. That would be it'll be a really good video actually, so we'll see. Alright, well, bro's going left. I'm going fucking straight. Fuck that. Alright, bro, that's probably gonna do it for this video. The fucking GoPro just decided to turn off because it was too hot. It's not even hot out, bro. I don't know. This bitch just... I got the AC blowing on this bitch because it gets too hot, I guess. So... that's what I can do for this video. I'm running out of battery anyways. Like I said, I might drop another video literally tomorrow, depending if I go tonight. We'll see. So just stay tuned. Thanks for watching. It means a lot. Talk to you guys in the next one.